Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing 7-day quarantine here in the Kingdom of Thailand. We're discussing it in the context of PCR testing. So I'm quoting directly from tatnews.org. That's Tourism Authority of Thailand news.org. Thailand reduces quarantine for international arrivals from April 1, 2021 is the title. And quoting directly, during quarantine in Thailand, foreigners are required to undergo an RT-PCR test on days 5 through 6 for those under a 7-day quarantine. I'm going to read that again. During quarantine in Thailand, foreigners are required to undergo an RT-PCR test on days 5 and 6 for those under a 7-day quarantine. Now, those under 7-day quarantine, it should be understood, have already been certified as vaccinated, or they can enjoy 7 days quarantine in Thailand under the new protocols associated with quarantine in Thailand. So understand that first. These are for vaccinated people. But while in quarantine, they still need to undergo, at least under the current rules, they still need to undergo a PCR test on days 5 and 6 before they will ultimately be allowed, released, for lack of a better term. They'll be released on day 7 to go about their business here in Thailand. So the thing to take away from this video is, yes, it's a truncated quarantine for those who have been certified as vaccinated, and there are PCR test protocols which are conducted during the quarantine. If one does test positive, I don't know how that would actually play out, especially because presumably they're vaccinated. So how exactly that plays out, it's sort of beyond the scope of this video. I think we'll actually maybe we'll do some research on that and try to find out the answer to that. But for now, that is how the protocols work, and we will keep you updated as the situation progresses.